Welcome to our practice. My name is Dr. Howerton. This is a practice that started 33 years ago. I'm the founding member. We started in Salem, Oregon. Since that time, we've grown to where we have 3 offices, now one in Albany, Oregon, and one in Corvallis, Oregon. I have 3 partners beside myself. I started my training in Portland at Oregon Health Science Center Dental School, completed my training there, went on to do an internship year at Loma Linda VA and Loma Linda Medical Center, and then came back to Oregon and did my oral maxillofacial surgery residency at the Oregon Health Science Center and Emmanuel Medical Center. Our practice philosophy is we try to take care of patients the way we want to take care of ourselves. It's been our guiding light. We use that both for our doctors and our staff, and it's allowed us to grow over the years. We try to take care of people. We know when people come here, they're nervous. We try to put them at ease. We try to give them professional care and make sure that they feel special when they visit our office. So I want to thank you for coming to our office, and we hope to be able to take care of any needs you may have.
Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Hopkin, one of the surgeons here in the practice, and I've been in the Willamette Valley for over 20 years as a surgeon. And today I'd like to talk to you about one of the focuses of our practice, dental implants. The great thing about dental implants is that often it's a lifelong solution for tooth loss. So with tooth loss, the options of replacement include a bridge. The unfortunate thing with a bridge is it requires grinding down the adjacent tooth structure in order to place the bridge, and that provides for the false tooth in the middle. However, things get underneath this area. The alternative is a dental implant, which is a titanium post that mimics the adjacent tooth roots. Once the implant is ready to be restored, you have a post that's in the implant, and then the tooth can be placed on the implant. And as you can see in the mouth, it looks exactly like the adjacent teeth. One of the most rewarding procedures that we do is the teeth in a day. With that, we can take somebody's broken down, fractured teeth, remove them all, and actually put in 4 to 6 implants, and then put a bridge that same day on those implants. So you walk in with broken down, fractured teeth, but walk out with a nice, beautiful bridge on that area that you can immediately function with. So if you're missing one tooth, several teeth, maybe all your teeth, just give us a call. Come in, have us take a look, and we'll formulate a plan and come up with a solution for you that fits your budget, fits your needs, and get you back on the road to oral health where you need to be.
Hi, I'm Dr. Gabriel Kennedy. I'm a board-certified oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Been in the Mid-Valley for about 12 years practicing. One of the many procedures that we do here is wisdom tooth or third molar removal. The third molars are typically the last set of permanent teeth to develop within the upper and lower jaw. Often those wisdom teeth are associated with an impaction or what we consider disturbed eruption.
Many patients ask me the importance of removing wisdom teeth. I think it's important to have them removed. Myself, as well as many in the oral surgery community, do recommend removing the wisdom teeth at an early age to prevent a lot of problems with your wisdom teeth. We know that wisdom teeth can be confusing. We can simplify that. You give us a call, we set you up an appointment, you come in, we take a look at your situation. We can even take the latest in technology for x-rays. We'll develop a plan for how to remove your wisdom teeth. We'll provide you the most comfortable experience to have the wisdom teeth removed. Give us a call.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jeb Clark. I'm part of the Howerton, Hopkin, Kennedy, and Clark group. Some may ask what an oral surgeon is trained in. After 4 years of dental school, most of us go to either a 4 or 6 year schooling to complete our oral surgery certificate, a lot of us completing our MD along the way. During our training, we become experts in wisdom teeth removal, implant placement, and extractions, as well as anesthesia. Some things that set our surgical practice apart from all others is our knowledge and expertise. Also our cutting-edge technology and techniques, our highly trained staff, which we love to work with every day, and our 3 convenient locations throughout the Willamette Valley.
So one of the services we offer for our dental colleagues in the community is we provide medical emergencies. This is an educational program that dentists have to take every 4 years. We've done this since my first year in practice. We enjoy doing it. It allows us to impart some of our expertise and knowledges of how to handle patients, not only dentally, but medically. And hopefully our philosophy is preparation equals prevention. By preparing the dentist for possible emergencies that may occur, we hope that they will prevent those. We know that most patients come to our office very apprehensive. What I would tell you is we take care of patients the same way we would take care of our own self. And that's sort of our mission statement in our office. We'll take care of you professionally. We'll try to alleviate any type of problem you're having. And that when you leave our office, you say, I didn't really like what I had to have done, but I was well taken care of.